Dear student, I am starting your lecture number 17. Today I will discuss about gray code. I will also discuss how to convert binary code, 4-bit binary code into gray code and gray code into 4-bit binary code. Before starting this topic, you must know about the truth table of XOR gate. XOR gate you must know, so it becomes very easy to convert binary number into gray code and gray code into binary number. See, I am showing you the truth table of a XOR gate. This is your A, B is input and Y is your output. These are symbol of a exclusive OR gate. Y, it is represented by A exclusively OR B, A, B. See, I am showing you the truth table of XOR gate. This is your truth table. The truth table indicates that when both the input are at different level, then output is 1. Check here. When both the input are different level, then output is 1. Look here. This. When both the input are at different level, when A is 0, B is 1, then output is 1. If A is now 1, B is 0, then output is 1. If both the input are at 0 level, output is 0. If both the input are at 1 level, output is 0. So in a exclusive OR gate, when both the input are at different level, then output is 1. Remember this. Otherwise, it is 0. This is useful for conversion of a binary into gray code and gray code into binary code. Remember. Again, remember. For an exclusive OR gate, this is a symbol of exclusive OR gate. For XOR gate, when both the input are at different level, means that is 1, 0 or 0, 1, then output is 1. If both the input are 1, output is 0. If both the input are 0, then output is 0. Now let us start the discussion on a gray code. Gray code is a unit distance code. It's a unit distance code. Gray code is a 4-bit numeric code. Numeric code. It is a unit distance code because two consecutive gray code differ only 1 bit position. Two consecutive gray code, two consecutive gray code differs in only 1 bit position. 1 bit position. Due to this reason, it is known as a unit distance code. Gray code is unweighted code. Unweighted code. Gray code is a unweighted code. The bit position in a gray code does not have any weight assigned to them. gray code is an unweighted code. The bit position in a gray code does not have any weight assigned to them. Due to this reason, it is not used in an arithmetic operation. It is used in a analog to digital converter. It is used in a CNC machine. I am showing you simplest way how to convert binary number into gray code. Suppose you want to convert 4-bit binary number into gray code. This is your 1010. So remember, G3 is nothing but the B3 itself. G2 is nothing but it is your exclusive OR function of B3 and B2. G1 is nothing but the exclusive OR gate of B2, B1. And G0 is nothing but the exclusive OR gate of B1, B0. Suppose, so this is your is 1. Here what should I write? Exclusive OR function of this means 1, this 2. And you know that if both the input are different level, the answer is 1 in XOR gate. B2, B1. So it is 0 exclusively 1. So it is your both the input are different level, output is 1. This is your 1 exclusive 0 1. So for this your answer is G3, G2, G1, G0 is 1, 1, 1, 1. Again I am telling you. Suppose this is your binary number. You want to convert this binary into gray code. So what is the method? For this is your MSB, this is your MSB, this is your LSB. So G3 MSB is nothing but this is itself I have written. For G2 I have taken the exclusive OR function of this 2 bit. This 2 bit means what? 1 XOR 0. You know in XOR gate, if both the input are different value, different level, output is 1. For G1, I will take exclusive OR function of this 2. So it is nothing but 0 and 1. Both are different level. For this G0, I will take the exclusive OR of a B1, B0. So my answer is this. So my answer is this. You take anything. Suppose you want to convert this binary into exclusive into gray code. Look here, I am writing. This J3 is under the B3 itself. So it is your 1. J2 is none but the exclusive OR function of this 2. Exclusive OR function of this 2 means what? 1, 1. So again it is 1 exclusive 1. So it is your 0. For J1 exclusive OR of this 2. So it is your 1, 1. So it is 0. For J0 exclusive OR of this 2. So it is your 1. Both are different level. So your answer is for G3, G2, G1, J0 is 1, 0, 0, 1. I think you understand again. This G3 I would write as it is. For G2 I have to take the XOR function of this 2. Both are at different value. Both are the same value. So it is 0. For G1, for this 2, B2, B1, 0, same value. So I'll show the now. Suppose someone say I want to convert B3, B2, B1 0. I am taking this. This is your. Suppose I am taking this your binary number. I want to convert corresponding. So G3 is nothing but the B3. So I am writing 0. G2 is nothing but you to take the exclusive OR function of B3 and B2. So B3 and B2 is nothing but 0, exclusive 1. So it is your 1. J1. Exclusive OR gate of a B2 B1. So B2 B1 is what? 1 exclusive 1. So it is 0. For Z0 I will take the exclusive OR function of B1 B0. So it is your see again, these have as it is. Exclusive OR of this 2, 1. Exclusive of this 2, 0, 1. So in this way you can convert the binary into gray code. You please remember such kind of the expression, it becomes very easy. In general I can show you like this. In generals you can write this way. See, this is the extra circuit I am showing you. It is not given your reference book. This is with the help of exclusive OR gate. With the help of exclusive OR gate, you can convert binary into gray code. So look here, this is a 4-bit operation I have written. The B3, G3 is what? B3. G2 is nothing but I have to do the exclusive OR gate of function of B3, B2. For G1, B2, B1. For G0, it is B1, B0. And this is a general equation I have written here. It is for 4-bit, you have to remember this. For n-bit, this is the expression. This is a circuit you have to study in an experiment in a laboratory how you can convert the binary number into gray code. So this is the circuit. I am showing you also see, this is your exclusive OR gate. And already I have explained what is exclusive OR gate. In exclusive OR gate, when both the input are different level, then output is 1. If both the input are same level, output is 0. So that I have used in this conversion. Look here. What are you saying? Both are different level, output 1. Both are same level, output is 0. Both are different level, output is 1. So that I am saying both are the different level, output is 1. You can say output is 1. Both are same level, output is 0. Different level, 1. So it is your mind. This is your answer. See, I am showing you also the table of a binary to gray code converter. So if it is possible, if you can remember this circuit, okay, how you can convert the binary into gray code with the help of this XOR gate. See, this is your table in which you can convert the binary into gray code by the same way. See, I think now you remember this is what? B3, this is your B3, B2, B1 and B0. B3, B2, B1, B0. Suppose I want to convert this binary into gray code. So you know G3 is as it is B1, you know this is a G3, G3, G2, G1, G0. G3 is nothing but you can say B3. G2 is nothing but you can say B3 exclusive B2. G1 is nothing but you can say B2 exclusive, you can say B1. This is your J0 is nothing but the B1 exclusive B0. Look here. So what is B3? B3 is 1, so I would write here 1. What is B3, B2? 1, 1. So 1 exclusive 1. You know both are at the same level, output is 0. B2, B1. What is B2, B1? 1, 1. So 1 exclusive 1. Both are same level, output is 0. What is this? B1, B0. 1, 1. 1, 1. So it is your 0. Because both are at the same level. So you can see this is your binary is corresponding, your gray code is 1, 0, 0, 0. I think you understand. This binary is corresponding gray code. It is used in a CNC machine also. Now I am discussing how to convert the gray code into binary. Remember this equation if you want to convert the gray code into binary number or binary code. Suppose this is your one zero gray. You want to convert its corresponding binary. So binary B3 is nothing but the G3 itself. So it is your 1. Second binary, I want to convert gray into binary. So for this is your MSB, this is your LSB. Look here. For this B3 I have written G3 itself. For B2 I would write exclusive OR function of the B3 with G2. What is the G2? G2 is 0. What the B3? B3 is 1. So 1, 0. My answer is 1. Reason is both are at the different level. Now B1. How to write the B1? Look here. B2 and G1. So what the B2? B2 is here and G1. So B2 is out. B2 is nothing but I can write 1. What is the G1? G1 is 1. My answer is 0. B0. What is B0? B1 exclusive OR 0. What is the B1? 0. What is the exclusive OR? 0. Answer is 0. Look here. I want to convert the gray into binary. This is your given gray code. I want to write its corresponding binary number. So remember this equation. For B3 I have written it is G3. For B2, what I have written for the B2, you take this B3 and G2, means B3 and G2 means this and this G2. So I have to take exclusive OR function of these two that I have written here. Then B1, what is the B1? B1 is nothing but I have to take the exclusive OR function with the B2 and G1. So I have written here. What is G0? G0 exclusively OR function of nothing but the B1 and G0. So you can write. Now let us verify. This is your gray code. What you written? 1010. Corresponding binary number 1100. Now from binary you write gray code. Now you remember for binary this you have to write as it is. I will take exclusive OR function of this two. While you are converting binary into gray, 1 1. So I can write 0. Then I will take the exclusively OR function of this two. So it is 1. Then I will take the exclusive OR function of this two. It is your 0. So in this way, if you remember this equation, you can easily convert the binary into gray and gray into binary. This is the for conversion of the gray into binary. The gray code is given, and from this you can convert into binary. So I am doing the another. Let us do the 1, 3, 4 new. So you will get the idea. Suppose this is your 1 0 1 0 1 0 like this. This is your gray code is given. This is your gray code. Z0, Z1, G2, G3, G4, 5 bit I have written. What is your corresponding binary? What is the corresponding is binary? Okay. For B4, what should I write for B4? Here G3, what should I write? Here it is nothing but the G4, so it is 1. For B3, what should I do? For B3, for B3 is nothing, B4 is nothing but the G4. What is the B3? It is nothing but the, you can write B4 and exclusively OR gate with G3. What is B2? It is B3 exclusively OR gate with G2. What is B1? It is your B2 exclusively OR gate with G1. What is B0? It is your B1 exclusively OR gate with G0. You can remember like this if you want. Here B0 is B1, B2, B3, B4, and here G0, 0, G3 like this. Now let us write. This is your, what is your 1? This is your nothing 1, and what should I write? Here 0, so it is your 1. B3, G2, so it is 1. What is G2? What is the G2? Look here. It is 1. So it is 0. B2, G1. What is the B2 I have written? It is 0. What is the G1? G1 is 1. What is B0? B1. B1 is nothing but the 1. What is G0? It is 0. So it is your 1. So answer is 1 1 0 1 1. This is your binary code for a given gray code. This is your given gray code, and this is your given gray code. Is corresponding binary code is this. Look here. This is your gray code I am writing. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. What is the corresponding binary? This is as it is, remember first. Then do the exclusive OR function of, do the exclusive OR function of this two. So I'll get 0. Then do the exclusive OR function of this two. So it is your 0. Then do the exclusive OR function of this 2. You will get again 0. Do the exclusive OR function of this 2. So it is your 1. Now do the exclusive OR function of this 2. So you will get 0. Do the exclusive OR function of this 2. You will get 0. So this is a given gray code, is corresponding binary code is this. Reverse you want to check with this a binary. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Right is corresponding gray code. This is as it is. Then you know in a find the exclusive OR function of this 2. So it is 1. Find the exclusive OR function of this 2. 0. Find the exclusive OR function of this 2. 0. Find the exclusive OR function of this 2. It is 1. Find the exclusive OR function of this 2. 1. Find the exclusive OR function of this 2. it is your 0. Look here, this is your gray code. So in this way you can convert. Last time I am telling you, this is your gray code. I want to convert this binary number. So first MSB I am writing as it is. This is your MSB. This is your LSB. I am writing this as it is. Then I am do this two exclusive OR function of this two. 1 exclusive 1 0. Then I am doing the exclusive OR function of this two. So 0. Then I am doing this. Then I am doing this exclusive OR function of this. In a binary to grade, this is written as it is. Then do the exclusive OR function of this two. One. Then do the exclusive OR 0. Do this 0. For this one 1. Look here again. I want to convert this binary into this is your binary answer I have written. Look here. And I want to convert this binary into gray. So this is as it is, MSB is as it is. Then take the exclusive OR function of this two. So here for this I will take this. For this exclusive OR function of this 0. For this exclusive OR function of this. For this I will take exclusive OR function of this. For this I will take the exclusive OR function of like this. Similarly, if you want to find this is a binary number 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. So for corresponding gray 1. Then take exclusive OR this 2. So it is 0. Then take exclusive OR this 2. So it is 1. Then take the exclusive of this 2. 1. Then take for this 0. Take for this 0. Take for this 0. Take for this 1. You can check. 1 as it is. For this 0. For this 1. For this 1. You can see here by this way. What is your gray number here? I have written 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. What the corresponding binary? This as it is. Then take the for this 2 it is your 1. For this 2 exclusive 0. For this 1. For this 1. For this 2 1. For this 2 1. For this 2 0. This corresponding binary, you see it is your here. So in this way you can convert the gray into binary, binary into gray. Here I have shown the simple method how you can convert. With experiment, in experimental circuit, I will show you like this. See, this is your experimental circuit. Suppose I am giving you here 1 0 1 0. So this is 1. B2 is under B3 and B3 is 1 and G2 is what? This is exclusive. So it is your 0. Answer is 1. It is 1. G1 is 1. Answer is 0. B1 is your 0, exclusive 0 is 0, so answer is 0. So this is your answer. So this is your gray number 1010. Corresponding binary number is 1100. So if you want to write B3, B2, B1, B0. So B3 is what? 1. Then I have taken the exclusive of this to 1. Then I will take this 0. For this 0. So already you get this. In this way you can convert gray into binary. So I think you understand how to convert gray into binary and binary into gray. Say I am putting this to numerical for your Viva on a Moodle platform. Here is your end of the lecture.